How to cook Ewa Agoyin step by step. This is the video you guys asked for. Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing fine. For my new subscribers, you're welcome to the Best of Family. Thanks for supporting your girl. I love you all. So in today's video, I'm going to cook with you guys Ewa Agoyin. I got this comment in my comment section, and here is the video. Alright, first of all, you make sure that you pick all your beans well to avoid stone or any dirty. Then you take your pot, add enough of water, add your baked beans, then cook it for 5 minutes. I'll try my best to explain everything to you guys. So this is what our beans looks like after 5 minutes. You don't need to wash your beans before cooking it for 5 minutes because we are still going to rewash it. Trust me, I washed these beans like 3 or 4 times. Okay, you go on and return it back to your pot. Don't spill the back. After that, you add enough of water and return it back to fire. So this is what it looks like after 15 minutes. Make sure you cook it for after 15 minutes. Yeah. So I'm going to go on and add my salt and a little bit of sugar. Of course, what is Ewa Agoyin without a little bit of sugar? If you don't like sugar, you can just add salt for taste, but I will advise you to add a little bit of sugar so that you get your Ewa Agoyin taste. If you think your beans still need water, add a little bit of water, but don't let it too much because our beans is a little bit softer. So we go on and turn everything together because we won't let our ingredient, which is our salt and sugar, won't let it be in one place. So I'm going to go on and turn everything this way. So this is what it looks like after I turn the sugar and salt together. So I'll cover it and let it cook for another 20 minutes in a low heat. This is after 20 minutes. Alright, if you open your beans and see that everything is being softer, like soft, so you go on and take your stick and roll it this way, like you need to scatter it and as in let it move together. Just roll it, assuming you are turning pando yam or gari or semo, anything. Just continue turning it together like this. You guys can see how I'm doing it. So just continue turning it, then it will give you your perfect Ewa Agoyin vibe. If your beans is not softer, don't try to turn it. Use your hand to test it. If it is soft well, then you go on and turn it this way and continue cooking it in a low heat, not medium heat, low heat for about 10 minutes. Then your Ewa Agoyin is ready. All right, let's go and prepare the main cocoa. The main cocoa is the stew. I'm going to go on and use this chili crushed pepper. If you don't want it chili, just get your normal pepper like this, or you get your dry pepper. Okay, I'll go on and add a little bit, and this is my garlic powder. You surely need garlic powder in your Ewa Agoyin. Yeah, so I'll go on and add a little bit. I will go on and add my salt, then 1 cube of Maggi. So after that, if you are using dry tatashe, you can go on and add your black pepper and your curry powder. Okay, I will go on and blend everything like this. So this is the outcome. All right, make sure you've chopped your onions, as in your chopped onions. Okay, take your fry pan, add your palm oil. You cannot use groundnut oil. What you need is red oil. Add your palm oil, let it hot, then you add your chopped onions. You let it fry until it turns to brown. Because I've already have this Ewa Agoyin stew, so I'm going to go on and turn my Ewa Agoyin stew in my fry pan. If you are preparing it afresh, just chop your onions like this. Okay, then you add it to your palm oil. But because I already have it, I'll just go on and add my Ewa Agoyin stew. Just continue cooking everything until your stew looks this way. Please, if you have any requests for me, you want me to make any video at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll surely do that. Please give me thumbs up, help me to share the video out. Then our Ewa Agoyin is ready. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay well, stay tuned, and bye.